I am going to show you how to install YouTube Create on your device. Now, YouTube Create is not yet available for Nigeria, but I can still install it. And if you also have the same issue, you are welcome to this video. Make sure you watch to the end. And if you have further question after watching this video, leave a comment on the comment section. Now, what exactly is YouTube Create and why is this video important? Now, if you open Play Store and you want to download this application, this is an application by YouTube. You notice I cannot find it right here. It's not displaying. It's not because the name is wrong. The only reason is because this is currently on test and is not available for Nigeria. Now, if I open my Chrome store and then I type in YouTube Create, you can notice right here that we have the application displaying, and when you click on install, normally you should be able to install this application, but you notice it says this isn't available in your country. Now that is fine. We are going to have a way around it. Now, the way you actually go about this is you download it making use of another store that actually doesn't put limitation. Now, there is actually other stores that also have this application and also have the latest version of it, and we are going to use that. And now for you to know if it's the latest version, you can actually check right here. Look for the version. You will have to click on the about. Yes, about. Scroll down. And then you are going to see when it was last updated, February 20, which is today, I think, yes. And also you can notice the version 0.187, right? That is fine. Now you go to this area and then on Google search, just search for YouTube Create APK. Now the one I prefer to make use of is the Uptown, this first one on the option. Now I use this first option. I use this also, and there is another one below. Let me scroll down. This other one, pure APK or APK pure. I use that also. But on this video, we are going to be making use of Uptown. Now, when you click on Uptown, it's going to show you the application, which is YouTube Create. Now, all you need to do is to click on Get the latest version. And you notice it says February 20th. So you click on that. Now, when you click on this is going to load up another page. You scroll down and then you click on the big button that says with Uptown. Now, you can actually download this without Uptown. It's fine. But you can only do it making use of another older version, or you make use of Play Store. But if you want to download it making use of Uptown, which is actually what I recommend for this video, you click on the big green button, which is this one right here. This big green button. Just ignore the advertisement displaying on top. Click on that and you wait for it to download. The download is going to start, and once the download finishes, we start installing. So now, let's wait for that. So in order for you to check if your download is complete, click on the three-dotted icon on the top area, right? Let's go ahead and click on that. And now you click on downloads. Now under downloads, you are going to be able to see what is currently downloading, and you can actually see the things that have previously downloaded. So I am going to, I think I already have this downloaded before now, but it's downloading it again is fine. So let me just allow you to download since it's no longer showing the previous one. Now that the download has completed, the download is complete, so you click on it, and then once it loads up, you click install. And on most cases, it might ask you to allow this application to install from unknown source, so you need to allow that. But it didn't show that here because I've already done this before. I'm only doing this from the scratch to show you guys the steps. So let's wait for it to install. Now the installation is complete. Now all you need to do is to click open. You can also click done if you do not want to open it immediately. Now this particular settings, you need to allow it, so you enable it by tapping and then you just click on back, and then it's going to load up and you see the Uptown logo and the Uptown application that is featured will display. Now the reason why I went through all these steps, I could have actually done it. I want you guys to see everything, so make sure you watch this video without missing the details. So in case you don't ask me questions that are already done in the video. All right, so you can now see that the YouTube Create app is open now, and you can click on Start Download. Now, another thing you need to know is that once you click on Start Download, it loads up and it starts downloading. And also pay attention to, okay, I still need to click on Install. So click on Install, it is going to start the downloading again. And also pay attention to the version that we are downloading. Let's click about the app. I want to show you guys the version because I want you guys to see that we are currently downloading the latest version. And you can clearly see the version right there. This is the most updated version. You can see it right there. That is the version, or rather that's the release version. And also this is, you can see the date that it was published, very active. And also I can come right to this area and still confirm that yes, it is this date. You can clearly see that. So that is correct, and that is all I want to show you. So let's allow it to download, and once it's finished, we are going to have to open it. So go back and then allow the download to complete. All right, guys, so the download has completed. Now the next thing to do is to click install. Now allow it to load up, and once it displays like this, you select install. So this should install your application. So the installation is complete. Now go ahead and click open. You can open from the app, or you close the app and hit open. Now once it displays like this, next thing to do is to sign in. Now if you have your email or your Google already signed in on your device, it's going to automatically sign in. So once you hit sign in, it's going to sign in. Now you can notice on the bottom, it's displaying my profile right there, bottom right, displaying my profile. So, and also you can see the info and everything. And the reason why I am installing this application is mostly because of VO3. You can see I can actually generate video, I can edit video with AI, and I can also generate image. So everything in one app. That is the reason why I need this application. So this application is not available for the whole world. That is why I got it. So I hope it's helpful. Thank you for watching. Smash like, and I'll see you on the next one.